Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to talk about 2022 Toyota RAV4 XSE Hybrid. If you are interested in this topic, please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. Let's get into the video. You might think one of the most desirable cars on the market could be a brand new Ferrari or Aston Martin, but I've somehow been able to get my hands on the one thing everybody wants. It's a 2022 Toyota RAV4, specifically a hybrid-powered Toyota RAV4. These babies are in hot demand throughout the country, with wait times extending beyond 12 months in some cases. Even used examples of the current-gen Toyota RAV4 are hard to get, with some sellers pricing theirs above retail pricing. Unfortunately for Toyota, this situation could be pushing buyers into alternatives such as the new Haval Hybrid H6. Stay tuned for that comparison. In any case, the Toyota RAV4 has recently received a fresh look for the 2022 model year, with subtly facelift headlights and a new 422 model grade, the XSE. Designated by a host of sinister-looking black styling accents, the XSE slots between existing the RAV4 GXL and the RAV4 Cruiser specifications, though unlike those two models, the XSE is available as a hybrid only. This 2022 Toyota RAV4 XSE Hybrid is priced from $43,250 before on-road costs, and I've priced one at $47,928 drive away in Melbourne. For that spend you're getting kit including an electric boot release, black exterior accent pack, dark headlining, 7.0-inch digital instrument cluster display, ambient cabin lighting, and heated front seats. Under the bonnet is Toyota's tried-and-true hybridized 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that sends 160 kilowatts to the front wheels. In this example, you can buy an all-wheel drivetrain in XSE grade, but it comes at an extra $3,000 cost. The interior's dark theme is accented by Softex leatherette trim accented by blue upholstered seat inserts. They feel premium to the touch and provide a nice amount of support around the sides, while containing a good amount of adjustability to sit in that ideal driving position. A black headlining adds to the darker look, but the cabin is lit up again by ambient lighting throughout. Materials used through the car are nice, it doesn't really feel cheap at all, and the build quality feels like it'll last. This is what you pay for when you select a Toyota, a known quantity that's built to stand the test of time. Space in the front row is great and everything is ergonomically sized and placed for ease of use. In fact, the instrumentation throughout the RAV4 scores a mention because it's great to touch and use. Big grippy dials to change volumes and air temperatures is what you want. Storage-wise, the RAV4 contains a series of spots to store your items, such as the shelf below the dash, the two large cup holders in the center console, and big door card slots for large bottles. In the back seat there's a nice amount of space. The RAV4 has grown incrementally in dimensions across its generations to accommodate a great amount of leg, head and foot room. There are air vents, 2 USB-A ports, and the seats recline for extra comfort. Praise must be leveled at the RAV4's humongous boot. Not only is it a sizable 542L with the dual-lever boot floor set to its highest position, or 580L when lowered, but it's just super easy to load items into it with a low-loading floor, and wool wells that don't cut into the available space. I had a much easier time placing items in this boot than I've had putting things inside a large off-road SUV. On the negatives, the electric boot takes an age to work and beeps incessantly. Very annoying. While we're here complaining, I might add that when you come to a stop, the doors don't unlock. Their handles don't unlock, even if sitting in the front passenger seat, which is just a bit frustrating. It's worse at night as the unlock doesn't illuminate, so there's a bit of a braille reading experience trying to find which button to click to then undo. There's a setting to change it, but a frustrating thing to deal with nonetheless. Fitted atop the RAV4's dash is an 8.0-inch color touchscreen. Embedded within the software is a native satellite navigation and digital radio, though users can connect up their own Apple CarPlay or Android Auto smartphone mirroring systems if preferred, via a wired connection. I'm a fan of Toyota's own software, particularly of its big blocky icons on the screen and shortcut buttons alongside the display to skip to various functions. There's a handy home screen that can display map content, song information or favorite contacts, while all other screens and menu systems are easy to read and well integrated. A 7.0-inch instrument cluster display is nestled within traditional gauge dials, and shows a wealth of information that you can simply skip between using a D-pad on the steering wheel. Toyota's RAV4 is well sorted in terms of safety kit and caboodle. It managed a 5-star NCAP rating upon its test back in 2019, and the XSE variant inherits this top mark score. Active safety equipment includes autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian and daytime cyclist detection, lane departure warning, lane trace assist, blind spot monitoring, speed sign recognition, auto high beams, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross-traffic alert. There are also 7 airbags, 2 rear ISOFIX child seat mounts, and a reversing camera with dynamic rear guidelines that turn when you do.